In the previous video we had a look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, and today I will tell you my top 5 things that I like about this smartwatch. Number 1. The smoothness of the menu. I had smartwatches in the past that when I tapped to wake up, it would take a lot of time to start working at the normal speed, but I never had this issue with this item. It flies through the menu regardless if I use it 2 minutes earlier or haven't used it for 3 hours. Even after 6 hours of sleep, once I double tap on the screen, it is up and running at normal speed. Number 2. The bezel. The Samsung smartwatch's trademark is the physical rotating bezel, like the one on the Frontier or on the Galaxy Watch. But this smartwatch doesn't have a physical bezel, it has a digital one. It works the same as the normal one, just move your finger on the edge of the watch to slide through the menus or through the apps. It also works when the screen is on idle. It is super fast and very accurate. Number 3. The strap. It is made of silicone, it is nice at touch, it has a matte black finish and doesn't attract particles nor dust. Another 2 things that I like about the strap are the quick release pin, which is super easy to use and fast and makes this smartwatch compatible with any 20mm straps. The hinge, it looks to be completely the opposite as the normal watches, just because the remaining bit of the strap is hidden inside, close to the skin, and it prevents it to be caught in different things. It is perfect for active people who enjoy a lot of sport. Of course, there's also one thing that I don't like about this strap, and I'll talk about it in my next video where I'll tell you my top 5 things that I don't like about this smartwatch. So definitely consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to be informed when the video is out. Number 4. Connectivity. I can connect the smartwatch to a headset via Bluetooth and listen to music. This doesn't require to have the smartphone with me, and it is super convenient when I go out for a run. I have all I need on my wrist: maps, fitness tracker, music. And speaking of maps, the Active 2 has integrated GPS and works very well with the Samsung Health app to record accurate information about the places where I run. And together with the heart rate monitor forms a perfect combo to record and track the activity. There is also the app that, in my opinion, is the best fitness app I have seen. I already said that Fitbit has a great app, but this one just exceeded my expectations. The Samsung Health app is easy to use, offers a lot of information in regards to the activity completed, and also has fitness programs and relaxation music and videos. And speaking of music, the last thing that I like about this smartwatch, number 5, is the internal storage. With the 4G version, there is the option to stream music from Spotify. On the Bluetooth version, I can only stream music if the smartwatch is connected to the smartphone. However, because it has an internal storage of 4GB, I can transfer songs from my phone using the Galaxy wearable app. So this is what I meant when I said that I have all I need on my wrist. Music on the device and the Bluetooth earphones connected to the Active 2. I don't even need to take the phone with me when I go for a run or cycle. So, question of the day: if you already own this smartwatch, what is the one thing that you like about it? And if you own a different smartwatch, what is it and what is the one thing that you like about that smartwatch? Let me know in the comment section below. These are my personal top 5 things that I like about the Galaxy Watch Active 2 from Samsung. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, and subscribe to my channel, because in the next video I will tell you my personal 5 things that I don't like about this smartwatch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.